Ugoko ne kwa Kikuyu podcast guys. Umuthi Rigathi wa Gachagua ni press conference. Na thini wa press conference ino ya Rigiji nianika mundu gwitwo Moses Kuria na Kimani Ichung'wah na njira nene. No guys. Thursday no day 25. Ni kuregirwo atiriri ni wako na mirurungano yo ndigakwa emenini egakwa mirurungano menene kuririkana Gen Z aria moragirwo mwaka wa 2024 ni undu wa finance bill. Now guys, Rigathi wa Gachagua akeria muthenya wa umuthi ni athaitha muno Gen Z na andu a Mount Kenya matikanamire. Rigiji claim akauga atiriri ati Moses Kuria ni atumirwo ni must go kurehe guns thĩinĩ wa Mount Kenya region. Toro uguo tu Rigathi wa Gachagua akauga ona Kimani Ichung'wah onake ayeri ati nio matumirwo kurehe guns kana kurehe mikora thĩinĩ wa Mount Kenya region egetha gukorwo na wanangiki wa indo na egetha gatuika atiriri Mount Kenya region ye nikuo kwina mirurungano na nikuo ati Mugikuyu athukia indo cia Mugikuyu ati uguo niguo gubangitwo. Rigiji akoria Moses Kuria urenda mbeca cigana niki muratumirwo ni must go kurehe maundu maya thĩinĩ wa Mount Kenya region. Oguo niguo Moses mundu gwitwa Rigathi wa Gachagua aroria Moses Kuria mena Kimani Ichung'wah niki muratumirwo ni mundu uyu ugwitwa must go. Ladies and gentlemen, kinimeke video no ya Rigathi wa Gachagua urioka auga negocoka tugere speech yake tore uria auga. In a video, kindly subscribe. I got to subscribe, guys.
I ask all Kenyans to keep off the streets, to keep off towns, to keep off cities, and stay at home. In our towns here in the mountain, the people who are being brought to cause havoc are from outside. Be on the lookout for outsiders. Don't allow people to destroy your towns, to destroy your villages. Everybody knows each other. Outsiders are known. To Moses Kuria, I ask you, what happened to you, my brother? Why have you allowed yourself to be used by William Ruto to persecute your kinsmen? Why, Moses Kuria? How much money do you need? Why are you organizing goons to destroy property belonging to your people? Why? Kimani Ichung'wah, people of Kikuyu have elected you 3 times. Why? Last year, you organized goons to burn the law courts. You caused young people to be charged with terrorism. Why do you do this? How much does William Ruto pay you to persecute your own people? Why have you turned against your own community? What do you hope to achieve by this senseless violence against your own people? What do you want to achieve? How do you feel when your kinsmen are being brutalized by goons and police? How do you feel when the sweat of your kinsmen, businesses they have developed over the years, is being destroyed by goons and police at the government watch? I want to plead with you and your conscience. Please call off this violence. Call off these goons. It's unnecessary. Don't hurt your people.
Guys, ucio ni Rigathi wa Gachagua. Mwaigua uria oria Kimani Ichung'wah na Moses Kuria. Niki murabanga kwanyu indo iria ciethetwo ni andu anyu ciuke cianangwo? Niki muretikira gubanga kunyarira andu anyu? Niki muretikira gubanga maundu tamasio? It's so unfortunate, ladies and gentlemen. Na maundu macio ni maundu mena urito muno Rigathi wa Gachagua aria. Rigathi wa Gachagua acoka era atiriri Gen Z nado matikanamire mirungano Thursday ati maundu maria mabangitwo ti maundu mega. Arera andu atiriri mugetikira tu gwikara micii kwanyu. Aikoi na biashara especially ta guku mwisho wa Nairobi na kuria kungi. Rigathi wa Gachagua akera andu amena biashara mutikana hingure biashara muthenya ucio tondu kwina mikora ibangitwo gukana ukagubora biashara icio ati ni gubake. Akera andu akirima Mount Kenya mutikana umira ati kururugana tondu mubango bangitwo atiriri mumira kururugana gunsi citwo gukorwo na haro ati gutwike ni Mugikuyu arahura Mugikuyu. Na Gachagua ni athaithana muno andu matikana umire. And of course nerethera mundu maria mabangitwo na regime ino. Ira Murkomen na ithenie wa Citizen TV na roria ciuria especially uhoro wa guns. Na roria atiriri niki twona borithi mathiania na guns. CS wa Interior aga support guns guthia na borithi akauga atiriri ati guns ciathianagia na borithi ati ni kwigitira o enye maegitira ati magetia mahure gunie mwe kugicoka guthia ate he borithi ringi borithi ni eri agaikania support uhoro wa gunism. Murkomen Rigiji akiaria arauga mundu ureheta maundu me mothe ma gunism ni Murkomen hathukinyete ta bũrũri wa Kenya. It's so unfortunate maundu maria turona bũrũri-inĩ wa Kenya. It's so unfortunate but on Thursday andu marorio mutikana umire tondu maundu maria mabangitwo ti maundu mega. Andu ni mabangirwo maundu matari mega. Andu ngari makerwo tafadhali igai ngari cianyu muci mutikana rute ngari cianyu. Ngari yaku ndikanathi yone uru na andu aria marumagaria guns na ngari ciao ni mahetwo onyo still. But anyway, ketute tuone uria muthenya wa Thursday waikara, ketuone uria mirungano igaikara. Rigiji ni arikia kwaria, ni arikia kwerethera maundu maria menamo na ni arikia kuhithoria ati borithi nio mamahithoriria maundu maria meritwo ugekika. Undu uyu umite kana interview no monete kuria thiini wa borithi ni meritwo maundu maria magekika. Anyway guys, kone gwa podcast we ogeda kweratia mundu wetwo Moses Kuria as Gachagua crimes ati onio marahe matumiro kurehe mikora kana guns in Mount Kenya region. Ogeda kweratia Kimani Ichung'wa kwa tuika onio marero Gachagua crimes onio matumiro kurehe guns thini wa Kirima. Ogeda kumera atia andu Kirima ni andu eruteri wira, andu a Kirima ni andu marutaga wira wao, ni andu a biashara na biashara ciao ni cio targeted ati getha kuonekane Kirima-ini kwina koi. Ogeda kwera atia Moses Kuria, ogeda kwera atia Kimani Ichung'wa, ogeda kwera atia acio othe. Ladies and gentlemen, goko ni kwa Kikuyu podcast. Mwani manyu mariko inyue morona atia. Thengio gamatine murathime guys, it is what it is kwani iko nini. Thank you, God bless you guys.